Okay, so now that we have retrieved the tax ID from the client information, the next step is to navigate to download monthly report page. So we need to create a new sequence. Make sure to go to the system one folder and name this system one navigate to monthly report. Alright, so hit the create button and let me just work on this workflow now. So you need to start in here. We need to add a click activity in here and then indicate the report button, and after that we need to add another click activity to select the download monthly report, or to click this download monthly report page. So click indicate again, and since we cannot have that link available yet, we need to press F2 from your keyboard, then click that, and before the time, and make sure that you have already focused on that link. So click that, and let me just check. Yep, right, I think it's good. Let me just try to remember if I forgot something on this sequence. Nope, I think we're good. So the next step, make sure to save that, and the next step is to right. We need to clean up our folder. So we need to go to the init state in the main file. Let me just close this first. We need to open this, and according here, we need to add the sequence name cleanup after the invoke kill all process. So we need to look for that kill all process. I believe it's inside this one. So double click this, and you can see that this is the kill all process workflow. So based on the instruction, we need to add a sequence after this workflow. So let me just find the sequence activity, and we need to name that sequence cleanup, and here we need to add two activities within this sequence. So we need to find delete and create directory. Create directory. So here we need to indicate the path, which is already indicated in our config file. If you can still remember, that's the reports download path. So here we need to put, oops, config reports download path that to string. Let me just copy that and put to a. Oops, what happened? That's good. We need to copy that on the create directory. There. So what's the purpose of this? It's just making sure that before we start the process again, that the folder is deleted, so we can safely create new folders and file. So that's the functionality. That's the importance of this sequence. Right. So let me check. Next step. So now we need to go back to make sure to save this, and now we need to go back to our process file, and make sure to invoke the navigate to monthly report, which is the sequence that we just created. Now, according here, we need to create a new variable called report year. So let's create the variable in here, and I assume that it's an integer. So let make it integer. And after that, we need to use an assign activity. So go to activity, look for assign, and we need to set the value of that variable to the previous year. So we need to just subtract 1. Did they mention what should be the default value of it? Later, I'll just check that. Alright, so I, I think this is the so this will be all for this video, and I think the next video, which is for create yearly report sequence, might contain several activities. So let me just cut this video for now, and we'll see you on the next video.